B1 versus B2 English. Welcome to today's lesson. Some changes you must make to level up. This lesson is for B1 learners who want B2 for exams, work, or real conversations. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what separates B1 from B2 and how to sound more natural. To level up, try to replace very and adjective with a more advanced word. Take a look. We can replace very tired with exhausted. Very hungry can become starving. Very angry, furious. Very happy, delighted. Very sad, miserable. Very scared, terrified. Very surprised, astonished. Very interesting. Fascinating. Very important. Essential. Very difficult. Challenging. Very easy. Simple. Very boring. Dull. Very cold. Freezing. Very hot. Boiling. Let's look at some examples of these swaps in context. After working all day, I was exhausted. It sounds much better than very tired. The movie was dull and I almost fell asleep. Better than very boring. It is freezing outside. More advanced than very cold, and it is very natural and commonly used by native speakers. A few more examples. Do you know the words replaced? I am starving. I was delighted when I heard the news. I find maths quite challenging. Leveling up doesn't mean swallowing a dictionary, it means sounding natural. Next, to advance your English, stop using I think it's good to express your opinion. Instead, take a look at the examples below. I think it's effective because. I firmly believe that it's beneficial since. As far as I am concerned, that is a good idea. I feel that it's beneficial since. In my opinion, it is a positive because. A few small changes make a huge difference. Another simple swap is to stop using I to start every sentence. Instead, we could use from my perspective, in my view, it seems that. Some examples of the swaps in context. I believe it would be a good idea to like this video. In my view, it would be a good idea to like this video. I feel that Miss Prep's lessons can be helpful. From my perspective, Miss Prep's lessons can be helpful. At B1 level, the word important is overused. Try to change it for some other phrases or words. For example, it's essential. It matters because. It plays a key role. It is significant. There is nothing wrong with the word important, just don't overuse it. Thank you for watching.